Mighty Networks tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mighty Networks. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Mighty Networks, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Mighty Networks, it is a powerful community platform that allows users to build vibrant online communities, offers courses and memberships, and hosts events, in which, on its overview, it serves as the description and guidelines for your community's table of contents, and also the overview functions similarly to an article, allowing you to add videos, photos, files, and embedded widgets. And it provides an introduction to your community, sets tone for the member engagement. Within the overview settings, you can control the visibility of the page, customize the thumbnail image, and enable previewing. And now to create an account on this platform, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page in which you can simply fill out all of this required information or sign up by using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or even Apple ID. And after signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with here to create members, feed, discovery, events, general, home, and many more. And by clicking this create button from here, you could also start searching for somewhere to post in here. While under from the Mighty team, it will show you here that it will serve as a resource for users to access support, guidance, and insights from the Mighty Networks team, in which this feature is designed to enhance the user experience by providing tailored assistance, best practices, and strategic advice for building and managing communities, courses, and membership effectively. As you can see in here, you can take the tour to see some other options that you can navigate in here, and any other guides. Now by clicking this members on the left side panel, from here it will automatically be directed to this page, in which we'll be able to start adding or create a new contact of members in here. As you can see, we can also copy this link, which is invitation link that will serve, and you can directly send it to your friends to simply invite them as your member. Or alternatively, you could also click this icon, in which it will show you on the sidebar right here that you could also invite them using their email address. And as you can see in here, you can simply add up to 100 email addresses in here. You can set to invite as a member depending on your preferences. You could also send invites directly in here or even request to join. So basically, those are some of the process on how you can invite members in here. Moving on, you could also navigate here this feed, in which it serves as central hub for members to access and interact with the contents across the community. It aggregates posts, articles, polls, questions, and events from various spaces that the member belongs to, as well as the public spaces within the network. Aside from that, you could also navigate here to Discovery, in which it serves as a powerful tool for enhancing member engagement and facilitating connections within a community. It aggregates content from all available spaces, allowing members to easily find and explore discussions, events, and resources that align with their interests. So from here, it will show you some of the members near you, and you could also search different kind of studies in here. Moving on to these events, by clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here, in which from here you can host virtual or in-person events to share with your community members, to create a series of events, and even enabling members to RSVP. And in this calendar view, it will show you all of your events on the calendar view in here. And by clicking the settings, you could also sync to your calendar and also to all events, or you could also set this to show your events only. So basically from here, it will show you all of your upcoming events in here. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel under this general, the home, and also this course. By clicking this home, it will show you in here that you can start creating a post in here on your feeds by simply filling out this share what's on your mind. You can add here a photo, video, or file, create a poll, add a GIF, and even start a live stream. And you could also generate a hashtag in here that you prefer. And after that, you could simply post this directly or schedule this post depending on the date and time that you prefer to post this. Well, under these members, from here it will show you all of the list of your members in your workspace. And now aside from that, you could also start creating a post by clicking this create button on the top right corner and click this quick post right here, in which upon clicking on quick post, you will automatically be directed on this right side panel And basically from here, all you need to do is to simply filling out all of this required information or to share your thoughts. You can also add here a media files, create a full GIF and hidden hashtag, and also insert an emoji in here. And after that, once again, you can simply post this directly or schedule this post depending on the time and also the date that you preferred in here. We have here the time zone and date and time to schedule this post. Now going back in here, aside from that, we could also start clicking this create button and start creating an article that we prefer. By clicking this article, it will show us in here on this right side panel. From here, we can simply add the title of the article that we're creating. For example, I'm going to enter here the title, drop shipping. Then below, you could also share something below, which is the contents of this article. And you could also click this add hashtag in order to specifically add hashtags in here that is related to our article. It will show in here some of the suggested hashtag that you can choose from. And if you're not done creating your article in here or putting some of the context, you can now proceed by clicking this post button, or you could also schedule this one or save this as a draft. But if you want to cancel this kind of article, you can click this cancel button to proceed. Aside from article, we could also start creating by clicking this create button right here to start doing live stream, in which from here, all we need to do is to simply enter or click this go live button in here. Upon doing so, it will automatically show us on the sidebar or right side panel some other details that we need to fill out, including the name of our live stream, and we also need to set up or accept the permission of our camera and also microphone in order to live stream. And also you could add here a speaker permission and to allow the system to record this live stream and notify members you're going live. But since we don't have any members, you can simply click this create button right here, and once again just click this invite button to proceed. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here on the right side panel the other way on how we can invite members on this platform, which is by inviting using the invite link or using their email address in which the invitation link will be sent. So that is just basically some of the option that you can start navigating under this home. Now aside from that, you could also start navigating this option on the left side panel, this course. By clicking this one, it will show you that you can start creating an instant outline in here to set up your course, resource library, or even challenge to answer some of the questions in here. And also on the left side panel, we can navigate also this create a space option, in which it will show us on this right side panel that we can create a chat, feed, cohort course, content only, event, conference page, and many more. In which this feature is important for effectively organizing and managing an online community. For instance, we're going to create a space which is this event. By clicking this view template right here, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And to start creating an event, all we need to do is to simply fill out all of this required information, including the collection, privacy, and even these payments. So basically, spaces serve as flexible containers that allows hosts to group content, courses, commerce, and community interactions in a way that enhances members' engagement and experience. And aside from that, you could also create here a collection by clicking this one. It will show us on this right side panel that we can click to create a collection in here by filling out all of this required information, in which it is also important for artists and designers looking to establish a cohesive brand identity and engage their audience. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Mighty Networks. Thank you.